I can't believe I won a cruise ticket to the Adriatic Sea. This is actually happening.
Hey man, why did you sit with me? I'm so excited to see the crystal waters of the Adriatic Sea and get to visit Croatia.
Everyone, be prepared. Our cruise is about to set sail.
Whoa!
Is everyone okay? Well, I just got some news saying that as of November 9, 2022, a 5.7 magnitude earthquake just hit the Adriatic coast of Italy. No reports of any serious injuries or damages so far. We believe that the epicenter was located 35 kilometers offshore from the Sahara, which is not far from our area. Expect some tsunamis to follow and take some shelter for now as we plan further action. Thank you for your understanding.
I think we're safe for now.
I can't believe that just happened. How could such an earthquake happen here in the Adriatic Sea though?
Well, earthquakes happen because of a sudden release of energy from the plates. The Adriatic plate consists of a northern and a southern one, which have different lithospheric thickness. The low seismic activity in the Adriatic Sea indicates that this plate is relatively rigid. The Peri-Adriatic line runs through the Southern Alps as a major continental fault. To the east, along the Dinardes, a complex system of strike slip and thrust faults marks the boundary with the Eurasian plate. On the west side, the Adriatic plate subducts underneath the Apennine Mountains in Italy that extend south towards the Ionian Sea and beyond. These tectonic plates move very slowly relative to each other, typically a few centimeters per year. But this still causes a huge amount of deformation at the plate boundaries, which in turn results in earthquakes.
Good news, everyone. The tsunamis are not as strong as expected and won't affect our cruise. Usually, when a great earthquake ruptures, the faulting causes a vertical slip that can disturb the overlying ocean, thus resulting in big waves. We are now continuing our trip to Croatia. Good night.
That's some great news. I'm off to bed now though. Good night.
Good night. I'm still interested in how tectonic plates work. Let me look up a video on the internet.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am going to explain the three different types of plate tectonic boundaries: the divergent, convergent, and transform. From the word divergent itself, it means to move away. Earthquakes at divergent plate boundaries occur as new crust is created. The plates move something like this. For the convergent plate boundary, it usually involves an oceanic and a continental plate. The plates move towards one another and they collide, but the oceanic plate is forced beneath the continental plate. The motions move something like this. Lastly, for the transform plate boundary, they slide horizontally past each other. Huge shearing stress can cause portions of the rock to break, resulting in earthquakes. And that is pretty much all you need to know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Wow, that's quite a lot to take in. I'm off to bed now.
Good morning, Gab. How was your sleep?
It was amazing. I was up all night watching videos on how tectonic plates work.
Well, that's nice to hear. Oh, and also, did you know that the movement of these tectonic plates can also affect and cause volcanic eruptions? That right there, the Brusnik volcano. It is a volcanic island in the Adriatic Sea, just off Croatia. It's not quite an active volcano and is uninhabited and part of the Dalmatian archipelago.
We have now arrived on the coast of Croatia. I hope you enjoyed your shaky trip with us despite the earthquake. These types of occurrences are very dangerous because lots of lives can be lost as they can cause structural damage and harm people. Volcanic eruptions can also be caused by this, and then ash or lava flow will follow and make it difficult for people to breathe, which then will affect their living habitats. We always need to be prepared and aware of our surroundings. Have a safe vacation and thank you for sailing with Villareal Seas.
Oh well, that's us then. I hope I taught you something new. I'll see you next time.
See you soon.
Bye!